What if you could take just $1,000 and invest it in the US stock market, turning it into a significant return in a short time? With thousands of stocks to choose from, how do you pinpoint the ones that could skyrocket your investment? Investing in the stock market with limited funds is challenging, but with the right strategy, it's possible to identify high potential stocks that could offer substantial returns. Today, I'm breaking down my approach to selecting US stocks that I believe have the best chance of growing that $1,000 into something much bigger. First, let's talk about where to look. The US market is vast, but not all sectors are created equal. My focus is on high-growth sectors, industries that are not just evolving, but are on the brink of explosive growth. Think technology, artificial intelligence, clean energy, and electric vehicles. These sectors have consistently outperformed the broader market and are filled with companies that are driving innovation. But it's not just about the industry. Within these booming sectors, there are specific companies that are poised to lead the charge. The key is finding those companies early before they make their big move. So how do you narrow it down from thousands of stocks to just a handful with high potential? Here are the criteria. I use market positioning. I look for companies that have a strong foothold in their industry, either as leaders or as disruptors with innovative products or services. Financial health. This includes strong revenue growth, manageable debt levels, and positive cash flow. A solid financial foundation is crucial for any company aiming to grow. Catalysts. Events like product launches, earnings reports, or regulatory approvals can trigger significant price movements. I look for companies with upcoming catalysts that could propel their stock prices upward. The valuation. Even high-growth companies can be overvalued. I look for stocks that are trading at a reasonable valuation relative to their growth prospects. This often involves analyzing price-to-earnings ratios, price-to-sales ratios, and comparing them to industry peers. Let's put this into practice with a couple of examples. Imagine a tech company that's developing next-generation AI software. They're not the biggest player yet, but their innovation is unmatched. They've just announced an upcoming product that could revolutionize the industry. Their financials show rapid revenue growth, and they're trading at a price that doesn't yet reflect their full potential. Another example could be an electric vehicle manufacturer that's expanding into new markets. They've secured key partnerships and have a pipeline of new models set to launch soon. Their stock is still under the radar, but the potential is massive. Of course, investing is never without risk. When working with $1,000, every dollar counts, so managing risk is crucial. Diversifying across a few high-potential stocks is one way to spread risk. Another strategy is setting stop-loss orders to protect your investment if a stock starts moving in the wrong direction. One of the hardest parts of investing is patience. It's tempting to react to every market fluctuation, but the real gains often come from holding on to a well-chosen stock through short-term volatility. The goal isn't just to make a quick profit, but to let your investment grow as the company realizes its full potential. So, can $1,000 really be turned into a significant return by carefully selecting high-potential US stocks? The answer is yes, but it requires a well-thought-out strategy, discipline, and a bit of luck. The market is full of opportunities, but the challenge lies in finding them and knowing when to act. Over the next few weeks, I'll be putting this strategy to the test. I'll share the stocks I'm investing in, the rationale behind each choice, and the results as they unfold. If you want to follow along and see how this $1,000 grows or doesn't, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell The journey is just beginning. Remember, the question wasn't just whether $1,000 could be turned into a significant return, but how. By the end of this series, we'll have our answer.